Celsius Holdings, the company behind the popular energy drink Celsius, has been a roller coaster for investors recently. After a 60% drop from its highs, there were high expectations for its financial results for the second quarter of 2024. With half of Wall Street watching, the big question was whether this company could turn its fortunes around and move towards its goal of challenging giants like Monster and Red Bull to become the market leader in energy drinks. The results were released a few minutes ago, and we bring them to you exclusively before the market opens. Celsius reported record revenue of $402 million, a 23% increase compared to the same quarter last year, surpassing analysts' expectations of $397 million. Gross profit reached a new high of $209.1 million, a 32% year-over-year increase, driven by greater operational efficiency and cost control. Additionally, the gross margin improved significantly to 52%, compared to 48.8% the previous year. Diluted earnings per share were 28 cents, exceeding forecasts of 24 cents and representing a 65% increase. Despite these positive results, the growth rate was not as robust as in previous years, leading the company to pin its hopes on international expansion, particularly in Europe. Currently, Celsius is mainly available in Canada and the United States, and has started promoting in the United Kingdom. However, it still has a long way to go in its expansion, with major markets like France, Germany, and other European countries where it has not yet started operations. In terms of its financial situation, the company reported a notable increase in its total assets, reaching $1,718.9 million as of June 30, 2024, compared to $1,536.4 million at the end of 2023. This increase is mainly due to growth in liquid assets, with cash and equivalents reaching $903.2 million, strengthening its liquidity position and capacity to finance future expansions. On the other hand, total liabilities also increased to $478.6 million, compared to $447.9 million at the end of 2023, reflecting an increase in accounts payable and accrued liabilities. Regarding market share, Celsius has achieved significant growth. In the U.S. market, its share in the energy drink category reached 11%, an increase of 1.4 percentage points compared to the previous year. This growth has been driven by a greater presence in stores and an increase in the number of SKUs available. Internationally, sales grew by 30%, with a strong focus on growth in Canada and new markets such as Australia and France, which are expected to start operating in the second half of 2024. In response to these results, Celsius shares opened in pre-market trading with an 11% increase, indicating renewed market confidence in the company. With European expansion on the horizon, Celsius is in a key position to challenge the giants of the sector and achieve its ambitions of leadership in the global energy drink market. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on finance and investments. Do you think Celsius has what it takes to dethrone the giants of the sector? Leave your comments below. See you in the next video.